Hey guys! So more on my food journey. I am a huge snacker. So that is one of the areas that I'm concentrating on in terms of finding healthier options, healthier alternatives to snacks. And I make a lot of my snacks. So I usually make granola. I make an apple cheddar cookie without the cheddar now, but I used to do it with the cheddar before. But now I do it just with the apple. It's beautiful. I try to make some breakfast muffins, and I will leave some of the links down below. The apple cheddar cookies is from here on YouTube. I got the recipe. I'll leave the link. And the muffins are from the Domestic Geek here on YouTube as well. So I will leave the link for you guys. If you want to see more food options and what I eat on a day-to-day, let me know. I will try. Cooking videos are not my forte, but I will try to do it for you guys, and I will try to execute it in a way that is palatable to you guys. Yes. So, like I said, snacking is something that I do a lot. As I mentioned, I have a lot of extracurricular activities taking place outside of my full-time employment. And so I use snacks to give me a boost of energy in between my different activities. For example, when I have French classes, I have French classes twice a week. And it is at my workplace. I just end up staying and I carry snacks with me so that I can give myself a jolt of energy so that I can learn. So these are some new snacks. I have not tried any of these prior to this week. I've opened one of them prior to this video, and I guess I'll start with this one. So this one is the Beanfields family-owned bean and rice chips. It's 100% more protein, 100% more fiber, 36% less fat than typical tortilla chips. And it says it's always vegan and gluten-free. So these are black bean and brown rice chips. And the brand is Beanfields. I've never heard of the brand prior. And let me just give you a quick rundown of the nutrition facts, although you can get that online. I guess you can check out the nutrition facts online. But the areas that are important to me, it has protein. It has 4 grams of protein, 4 grams of dietary fiber, 4% calcium, and 5% iron. These are all great for snacks. The ingredients are black beans, organic brown rice, safflower or sunflower oil, and sea salt. And these are made in the USA. And I'm quite hungry right now. But this is good. So yes, I was rudely interrupted by my camera in the middle of snacking on my black bean chips. They don't taste like traditional tortilla chips, but they have a hint of salt. You can taste a slight taste of the black beans, but they're not unlike normal chips. You would enjoy these. I quite enjoy them. I will definitely be buying these again. They're tasty. My next option, I haven't tried it before now, or never tried it in my life. And these are Gimme. Is it Gimme? I think it's Gimme or Jimmy, but it has a G, so I'm assuming it's Gimme. Organic sea salt premium roasted seaweed. 1 gram of fiber, 1 gram of protein, 15% vitamin C, 2% calcium, 2% iron. And the ingredients are organic seaweed, organic sunflower oil, sea salt. And it's a product of Korea. Okay, I've never had seaweed before. So this is me. That's how we do it in the Caribbean. Okay, this is the package, and it comes in this tiny carton, and this is the seaweed. So let me try it. They're paper thin. Okay, I already don't like the smell because it smells like cod liver oil, and it has that oily residue like cod liver oil. So I'm assuming seaweed is very good in omega 3s and 6s, whichever one. Okay, so let me try it. I guess my facial expression says it all. It's not horrible, you know, guys, but it's an acquired taste. It tastes like fish. One of these oily fishes like salmon. So if you like salmon, you might like seaweed. It tastes like cod liver oil. And I don't like cod liver oil, but I need to try to find a way to use this seaweed because I have a few packets. I don't think I will be able to consume it like this. That's that. I'm going to go with the other thing that I've never tried in my life, and that is Kale Chips, I think. They're Kale Chips. So this is by the brand Brad's Veggie Chips. And it says it's plant-based, it's air crisp, never baked or fried. Kale made with veggies, seeds, herbs, and spices. Snack with a purpose. And that's what I'm trying to do. So I like the tagline. So they have all the right things on the packaging. I am in love. They're talking about revolutionizing snacking by creating snacks that are appetizing, nutrient-dense, and affordable. And I did mention that I am trying to eat nutrient-dense foods all around, even with my snacks. This has 3 grams fiber, 2 grams protein, 70% of vitamin A, 4% calcium, 20% vitamin C, and 4% iron. The ingredients are carrot, kale, flaxseed, buckwheat groats, orange juice, onion, apple, lemon juice, extra virgin olive oil, garlic, Himalayan salt, sesame seed, and these are all organic. Okay, it doesn't smell horrible. It has an interesting planty smell. As I thought, this is an acquired taste, but it's not bad. It's palatable. So I ate it and I swallowed it, and I'm very picky. Okay, guys, so my camera stopped again. It was overheating. But I already started eating. So the next snack that I got from Walmart again are these great value dried apples. And I already knew that I would like these. I love anything fruity. I love dried anything. I love dried pineapple, dried apricots, whatever it is. I like dried fruit. So I know I already love these, and I've already eaten half the bag since the camera went off. I did say I was hungry. This is good. Also, I've had dried apples before. And they've been very, very sweet. And these are not sweet. And my final snack, which I am very excited to try, I normally make sweet potato chips on my own. I've never had it from someone else. And these are Jackson's Honest, as the name of the brand. In terms of the nutrition facts, 3 grams dietary fiber, 4 grams sugar, protein 1 gram, vitamin A 90%, calcium 2%, vitamin C 2%, and iron 2%. The ingredients are sweet potatoes, organic coconut oil, and sea salt. Okay, so my initial thoughts on these sweet potato chips, I was so excited about those, and I left them for last because I felt like it was a given that I would like them. And I am no stranger to coconut oil. I grew up cooking with coconut oil because that's what solutions do. But it has an oily taste, and it kind of left not a heavy coating, but it left a coating on my mouth. The oily taste is not pleasant. I don't like it. The oily taste that tastes like that is supposed to be coconut oil, it doesn't taste like authentic coconut oil, the coconut oil that I know, to me. And up to last night, I had sweet potato chips that I made up myself. And while they were not as crispy as these, I kind of feel like they tasted more like sweet potatoes. The taste of the oily taste overshadows the subtle taste of the sweet potato. Sweet potato is already very subtle in taste. I didn't enjoy these at all. So my favorite remains this, which I guess I knew already, but I quite enjoyed this. This gets 2 thumbs up from me. The bean fields, black bean with sea salt and brown rice chips. This is good. This is really, really good. And these will get, the 2 I mentioned before get 2 thumbs up. This will get 1 thumb up. It's an acquired taste and I can stomach it. I can do that. This isn't bad, but it's just not to my taste. And these were not to my taste at all. I don't like these at all. I'm going to try it again because I do have a big packet and I'm not wasting my coin. Even if they were not very expensive, which is why I got them in the first place. So guys, thanks for watching. Also, tell me what snack options you venture to when you're looking to have a healthier option, so that I can see if I can get my hands on those and to try them at least once. If you guys like this, let me know down below and I can do another one for you guys. This time I'll try to source local snacks that are a healthier alternative, a healthier option. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to leave your comments, your questions, and your suggestions down below. Of course, share with a friend.